This video will explain how to transfer a patient from NOAA to HearFormPRO using the Counselor module. In order to save time, I've already added an audiogram and 2 patients into the system. When I first open up NOAA, I will choose the desired patient, as I've done with Lois right here. Then I'll click the Counselor Synergy module button here, which takes just a moment and brings up the Counselor sub-window. I then can see that Lois has already been selected, and Lois was found in HearForm so that it is not automatically checking this box right here. I don't need to add the patient to HearForm. It found a match based on Lois's first name, last name, and date of birth. So really all I have to do is click this button here called Export Data from NOAA. We can also import data from NOAA using this button right here using a very similar method. But let's go ahead and click the button here. It takes a little while, and then it tells us that the data export to HearForm has completed successfully. I'm going to close that. Then I'm going to close this window here. Now when I pop up HearForm, then I can see with Lois here, by going to the area where the audiogram is not automatically displayed. We still need to click the refresh button, and then it displays the audiogram right there. So that's the latest audiogram for Lois. Let's go back here and choose a different patient, the sample patient. Now when I click the Synergy module, it tries to find a match, and it could not. So it's automatically checked the box here saying add the patient to HearForm, which I want to do. I'll click this button here. It takes a little while, maybe a little longer when it has to add a new patient, and then I'm going to close that after reading the last word was successfully. We'll close that, minimize this, and then what we can do is actually check and see whether or not that sample patient has been created. Now if we did this correctly, the last patient in the system is sample patient. And once again, there's no audiogram displaying there. We can't force that to happen, so you do have to click the refresh button, and then the refreshed audiogram appears just like that. Now it will be there the next time. For example, if I were to look up Lois Sanders, then her audiogram is there, and if I want to look up the sample patient and come back, I don't have to refresh it again, just that very first time. So that's how you transfer an audiogram or even a patient from NOAA to HearFormPRO.